Physiography. The vast continent of Asia, like any other continent, does not have a uniform landscape. There are a variety of physical features that have been classified into these physiographic divisions: the northern lowlands, the central highlands, the southern plateaus, the river basins, the islands. The northern lowlands. It is the northernmost physical division that stretches from the Ural Mountains in the west up to Yablonoi and the Stanovoi Mountains in the northeast. They are bordered by the Arctic Ocean to their north. The hills of north-central Kazakhstan, Mongolia and China lie to its south. The region which is formed by the Siberian and the Turan plains is the greatest continuous lowland in the world. The three rivers, namely Ob, Yenisei and Lena, that originate in the mountains of Central Asia, flow through this region from south towards north and finally join the Arctic Ocean. As the slope of the land is almost negligible, the rivers flow very sluggishly. During the winter season, the low temperatures result in the freezing of the river mouths. The river water coming from the south is thus unable to reach the sea and spreads over the plains. This results in the formation of a large area of swamps and marshes. The northern lowlands also have an area of inland drainage towards the west. It is formed by the rivers Amu Darya and Sir Darya that drain into the Aral Sea in the Turan plains. The Caspian Sea that lies towards the west is the largest inland sea. The Central Highlands. These are located to the south of the northern lowlands. They are a chain of fold mountains that radiate from the Pamir Knot, which lies in Central Asia. These highlands traverse almost across the entire continent from west to east. The Central Highlands also accommodate high plateaus. These also consist of some very high peaks. Among the several ranges that radiate from the Pamir Knot in different directions are the lofty Himalayas. The Himalayas extend in the southeast direction. They have three parallel ranges: Himadri, Himachal and the Shivalik. The world's highest mountain, the Mount Everest, also lies in the Himalayas at the Nepal-China border. The Himalayan arc has an extension which extends from the eastern edge of the Himalayas and runs across Myanmar in the north-south direction. These are the Arakan Yoma and the Pigu Yoma. This branch of Himalayas also extends and continues through the islands of the Andaman and Nicobar, Sumatra, Java and Indonesia. To the north of the Himalayas, also stretching in the northeast direction, is the Karakoram range. The world's second highest peak, Mount K2 or Godwin Austen, lies in this range. The Kunlun mountain range also radiates in a northeast direction from the Pamir Knot. The Kunlun mountains lie to the south of the Karakoram range. To the north of the Kunlun are the Altin Tag and the Nan Shan ranges. As we move further northwards, we find the Tain Shan mountains, the Altai mountains, the Khingan, and further northwards the Stanovai and the Yablonovi are end extension of this mountain system. There are many mountain ranges running westwards from the Pamir Knot. The Hindu Kush, Suleiman and Kirtar ranges extend in the southwestern direction through Pakistan and Afghanistan. The Suleiman range extends westward as Zagros Mountains upon Iran up to the Armenian Knot. The Hindu Kush Mountains also extend westward through Pakistan, Afghanistan and further through Iran in Elburz and join the Zagros at the Armenian Knot. Like the Pamir Knot, the Armenian Knot also has ranges radiating towards west. The two ranges that radiate westward in Turkey are the Pontic and Taurus mountains. There are some intermountain plateaus that lie between these mountain ranges. The plateau of Tibet, lying between the Himalayas and the Kunlun Mountains, is called the roof of the world. It is the world's highest plateau. The plateau of Mongolia is located to the east of the Altus Mountains. To its east are the Khingan Mountains. The plateau of Iran is bordered by the Elburz Mountains to its north and the Zagros towards south. The plateau of Anatolia, that lies to the west of the Armenian Knot, is located between the Pontic in the north and the Taurus in the south. This region is also referred to as Asia Minor. Among the other topographical features that form a part of the Central Highlands are the Gobi Desert lies in the southern Mongolia bordering China. The Taklamakan Desert covers the central portion of the Tarim Basin. The Tarim Basin is located to the north of the Tain Shan Mountains. The Pamir Knot lies to the west and the Kunlun towards south. It is also known as Xinjiang Basin. The Central Highlands thus have a picturesque view with a variety of topographic features. The Southern Plateaus. Some old and hard rock plateaus lie in the southern part of Asia. The three plateaus that form the physiographic division south of the Central Mountain Belt are the Arabian Plateau, the Deccan Plateau, and the Plateau of Shan and Yunnan. The Arabian Plateau. It lies in the Arabian Peninsula, covering almost the entire country of Saudi Arabia. The plateau has a steep slope towards the Red Sea. However, it has a gentle slope towards its northeastern part. The region is almost entirely a dry desert. The Deccan Plateau. It covers the peninsular land of India. The plateau has steep slopes towards its west, bordering the Arabian Sea. The Deccan Plateau has a gradual slope from west to east. Thus, there are several east-flowing rivers in the peninsular region which are fed by the monsoon winds. The Plateau of Shan and Yunnan. These lie to the east of India in Myanmar and China. The plateau has a steep western and gentle eastern slope. The land is crossed by rivers flowing from north to south, namely the Irrawaddy, the Salween, and the Mekong. The river basins. Several river basins of the continent have been formed by the rivers originating in the Central Highland region. These rivers are a source of rich alluvial soil, which has made the region or river basins ideal for crop cultivation. The major river basins of Asia are formed by these rivers. The Euphrates and Tigris form valleys and plains of Iraq. These are also known as the Mesopotamia lowlands. The two rivers flow into the Persian Gulf. The Indus Basin is formed by River Indus and its tributaries, Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi, Beas, and Satluj. It covers the area in India and Pakistan. The Ganga-Brahmaputra rivers form the plains along the northern mountains of India. These rivers, along with their numerous tributaries, cover a large basin area and also form a large delta called Sundarbans, which is the biggest in the world. The Huanghe, the Yangtze, Changjiang, and the Saikiang, Zhejiang rivers form the Great Plains of China. These rivers flow eastward and join the Pacific Ocean. There are some smaller river basins formed by 1. River Irrawaddy in Myanmar and 2. Rivers Mekong and Menam in the Indo-China Peninsula. The islands. There are a few island groups that extend from north to south on the eastern and southeastern coast of Asia. These islands are mostly the extension of the Fold Mountains and have volcanoes, both active and extinct. Japan, Philippines, and Indonesia are the three countries that are formed by a group of few islands spread out in the Pacific Ocean.
The islands have several seas that separate them. Among the other islands are the Sakhalin, Taiwan, etc.
Fact: Great Asian Landmark, the Great Wall of China, is the only man-made superstructure that can be seen from space.